You know that leftover ham bone sitting in your fridge after the holidays? Don't toss it. That's flavor gold. Instead of letting it dry out or hit the trash, turn it into this hearty, soul-warming lentil and ham soup, all from ingredients you probably already have. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, and this is how you take what's left over and make it feel like a brand new meal, while saving a few dollars in the process. The holidays can leave you with a lot of extra food, if not a little food guilt because you didn't use it all. So today, we're going to give that ham bone a second act in this fabulous lentil and ham soup. Come on, let's get cooking. You only need a few basic ingredients for this recipe, starting with dried beans. These are depuis lentils, they're French lentils, and you're going to want to use these because they hold up much better in the soup. Just sort through them, pick out any pebbles, rocks, or debris, and then rinse them with very cold water. And you just want to get them completely rinsed until the water runs clear. Give it a good shake, and we're ready to go. We're starting with some olive oil in a Dutch oven. Add chopped onions, celery, and carrots. This is a classic mirepoix. I also add about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And we just sweat the vegetables in the oil, season with a little salt, and then I like to add dried thyme and some crushed red pepper flakes. The tomato paste is my secret ingredient. It's going to give this soup a lot of body and richness as well as depth. Stir until the tomato paste coats the vegetables and then add the lentils. Be sure not to leave any behind in the sieve. Then add fresh water. This takes about 6 to 8 cups, and you can add more if needed later. Add a bay leaf to the pot for seasoning, and then comes the ham bone. This is a really meaty one. You can see that this was a spiral sliced ham from the cuts, but any ham shank will do. You could also use a ham hock. Bring the soup to a boil, and once it gets there, you'll turn it down to a simmer and let it cook for another 45 minutes or so, just until the lentils are soft and tender and the ham is fall off the bone good. You'll notice that we didn't add any chicken stock. It's really not needed because the ham bone has so much flavor, and it's also giving up some collagen, which gives the broth a really velvety texture and mouthfeel. So remove the ham bone from the soup and just set it aside to cool, and then fish out the bay leaf. Once the meat is cool enough to handle, shred it and add it back to the pot. Doesn't that look good? It's so rich and thick and meaty, but those lentils, they stay intact. Garnish with a little fresh parsley, and you're ready to go. See? That leftover ham bone just became the heart of a brand new meal. Cozy, rich, and it didn't cost you a thing extra. That's the magic of cooking smart, turning what you already have into something delicious and satisfying. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love saving money and cutting down on food waste, follow for more no-waste, flavor-first recipes. And be sure to grab my Holiday Leftovers ebook so not a scrap goes to waste.